Chenbro Chia-Yi Factory is a green building factory that conveys the corporate philosophy. Not only is a silver chases factory that wishes to return to its hometown to contribute to the local economy, but the unique green building is specially designed to meet the needs of local employees and the environment. We aim to become a good sustainable neighborhood for everyone, a community park and a space that promotes employees' happiness as a primary purpose. As a silver company, Chenbro continues to innovate in design and manufacturing tech and seeks high-quality products and benefits for all. Not just a factory, it is specially designed for the local climate and sustainable concept to share natural and cultural space. The structure allows more dialogues, promotes local arts and culture, and becomes a platform for sharing. Inspired by the form of Chenbro silver product and thermal mitigation, the innovative design echoes in the building system for ventilation and greening. The building integrates the concept to provide flexibility for open spaces. The design mirrors a cabinet structure in the building's interior and exterior, effectively using the recurrence of shapes and forms, resulting in organized movement in space. Green building architecture helps sustainability. We reuse the water resources, greening and waste reduction, and set up the low carbon planning, flexible air conditioning system, external wall energy saving system, and lighting system. Unlike the traditional factory, we build a sustainable good neighbor factory like a community park. We want to become good neighbors who respect the natural environment and who love to share the arts and culture. We look forward to Chenbro Chia-Yi Factory as not just a factory, but a park for the community with a sense of mission of environmental sustainability. The green building design not only creates for the local terroir and sustainability, but creates an environment full of artistic atmosphere with local artists to give employees and the community a comfortable resting space.